Hi, welcome to my video. I'm checking the decibel rating of a Salamander homeboost pump. So this dishwasher is marked up at 49 decibels. So I'm going to install an app on my phone, here we go, to double check to see if the app's reading basically the same as that. So yeah, it's hitting 49, but it's a bit lower. So here's the new pump. It's been fitted. If you'd like to see a video on that and how to fit it, see the link in the description. Okay, so here I've got the noise meter and it's hitting a steady 36, 34 with background noise. Let's see what happens when we start the pump. As you can see in here, it's hitting a steady 59.60 when it's running at full speed. You can see from this, it's supposed to be 46 decibels. Maybe 46 decibels is when it's inside a cupboard and running, because that would make it a lot quieter. All in, this is a good pump. It's increased my rubbish flow of water of 3 litres a minute to almost 12, which is what it says on the box. If I had it again, I would definitely buy this pump again, because the previous 3 pumps I had were loud and they stopped working after a while. And this one has a much better build quality and I believe it will last longer. And it has a 3-year warranty. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the other video where I test the water flow before and after fitting the pump. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.